Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deneen and this is Design by Denine. Participating in my first ever Trash to Treasure challenge. This challenge is hosted by Sonja over at Domestic Diva DIY
and co-hosted by Vesna TV. I've linked to both of their channels below as well as the playlist. You're definitely going to want to go check it out.
So I went to my favorite thrift store and I started looking around. Then I got to the section where all the old silver is, and there was a couple pieces. There was these two pieces, this and this. And not far off was this piece. And I thought, I kind of been thinking about doing a tiered tray. And I know that tiered trays are kind of really big. I actually looked at one last Christmas at HomeSense, and it was, it wasn't silver, it was probably stainless. When I saw all this silver, I thought, this is maybe serendipitous. Maybe I should be making a silver tier tray instead of buying one for 60 bucks, because the one I liked at HomeSense was about 60 bucks. So I bought these trays. So these 1, 2, 3. I was kind of poking around the rest of the store thinking, what am I going to use in between the trays? And then I happened upon these. Like, they're totally perfect. See, it was serendipitous. Like, look at that, man. Check that out. How cool is that? So before I started putting anything together, I decided that I would take one trip to my local thrift shop. And I walked in the front door and I found this one, which is exactly like this one. They're the same. I have a bit of cleaning to do, so that's okay. This will be fun, I hope. And I figure worst case scenario, if they didn't come clean, I would just paint them. Let's start out by cleaning these.